Them talk say better soup na money kill am. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Let me take you on a journey to make this native soup called oha soup. This is a detailed video and these are all the ingredients we'll be using. I have ogirisi, there's ede, there's uziza seeds, uziza leaves, seasoning cube, palm oil, crayfish, the yellow pepper, stockfish, palm oil, and we have our protein, goat meat, and then we have the oha leaves. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to pluck that. So in a pot, I'm prepping our meal. So I'm going in to boil the edi. So while that is boiling, I'm seasoning our goat's meat. You can use any beef of choice, and you want to add a little bit of water to that before going in with the stockfish. I've already broken or pieces the stockfish a bit, and now I'm going to be walking you through the process of how I wash this dried catfish. You want to ensure that you debone it, especially if you have young children that will be eating this food. Okay, you don't want them to choke on bone. And I'm going to show you what I would use the head of this dried fish to do. Stay with me. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. And this is the crayfish that I'm going to be using for the soup. So I'm just breaking the catfish head and removing the bones. I will blend this with the crayfish and it just adds extra flavor to the soup. Okay, you want to ensure that your blender is strong enough to handle that. Okay, and I have pounded my uziza seeds. Now I'm just going to be plucking out the leaves of the oha. Anything you're going to be doing with oha, this oha leaves, it's just your hands. Don't use any metal on it. I have heard that it makes the soup bitter or the leaves to turn black easily. I mean, I've not tried it, but that's what I have seen people do. I mean, and I followed suit. Okay, but you can try it at your own risk. So this is a soft oha leaf, and then this is the hard one. So most times I avoid putting the hard leaves into the soup because it just makes it difficult to chew or makes one to boil it longer, and then it end up getting extremely soft or it changes the color of the soup. So like I said, everything you want to do with your oha leaf is with your hands. You cut it with your hands and look at how it looks. So I am now putting the ede. It's cooked properly, it's soft. You can use powdered ede, but this is a detailed video of how it's being cooked. So we have to go the extra mile of using the original ede, if you know what I mean. So we are going to be washing our catfish, and this is how I wash mine. I use hot water. And next we are unwrapping the ogiri. I must tell you that this has a pungent smell, but it's important in oha soup. It accentuates the taste and it also makes you use less seasoning cube. Okay, so if you notice, I'm not using salt, I'm just using one seasoning cube. The crayfish will also go a long way to help with the taste. I'm going to be adding the crayfish in 2 batches. This is the first batch alongside the meat. I'll just give that a good mix, and then next I'll go in with my ogilisi. Okay, like I said, this has a pungent smell. If you're not able to withstand it, I don't know what to tell you, but I mean, it's worth it because it just elevates the taste. And then I'm going in with the pounded uziza seeds. This just also gives it that extra flavor and aroma. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please join the family, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what your best soup is. I love oha soup. Oha soup is my favorite Igbo soup. And I mean, Igbo people have soup. We get soup, oh, we get soup. Let me know in the comment what your favorite soup is and what swallow you love to pair your soups with. So I've added an extra pepper and I'm just cutting the uziza leaves thinly, and next I'll be turning this before going in with my ede. It's also called ede, also called cocoyam. Okay, this serves as a thickener. You can add the powder one, but I mean, this is a detailed video of how oha soup is being cooked, so that is why I have to go the extra mile to show you how to work with cocoyam when cooking oha soup. I'm adding the uziza. I'm not going to add a lot of uziza leaves. Remember, I added uziza seeds. And next, we are going in with our oha, which is the star of the dish. Can you see how our soup look like? Oh my God. The aroma of your kitchen is on another level, guys. This is a very delicious soup. I mean, let me know the kind of soup you like. We might just feature it on this channel. You never know. You never know. Okay, take a look at that. So you want to give that one good mix, and then you turn off the heat. So I'm going to be pairing mine with fufu, loi akpu. Or let me know what you use to pair yours. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for sticking through to the end. You are the real MVP. Please remember to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.